Many people don't know this, but there is a reason why Bitcoin went from 27,000 to 35,000 in the last few days. And this is because BlackRock, the biggest corporation in the world, is releasing their own Bitcoin ETF. BlackRock Bitcoin ETF means that institutional investors will be able to purchase Bitcoin legally and potentially will spend billions investing in Bitcoin. Many people are speculating that BlackRock ETF will come in October, which means this month, but most likely it will come out in the next 3 months, which means in the next year, 2024. And as we all know, the Bitcoin halving is happening in 2024 April, which means that crypto bull run most likely will start at the end of 2024. For example, this is what happened to gold price when the gold ETF came out in around 2004. Here you can see how high the gold price went after the ETF came out. So I'm 100% sure when the BlackRock, the world's biggest corporation, comes out with the Bitcoin ETF, the price will go exponentially, and in my opinion the Bitcoin will reach around 150,000 in 2025. Which means that this is probably the best and the last year when you can buy Bitcoin so low, and when it comes out, the crypto space will experience another bull market and the crypto NFT euphoria will start again.